grizzly bear. He don't need nothing. These girls stand out there and look.
Now, we've done a lot of travel, flea markets, and I used to go to the travel a lot of people there. We enjoyed it. We had a chance to go and stay, but I've done a lot of for the new one. Take a few of them. One fellow got 6 of the big ones, just about that. Now I check numbers on the stuff with the Amazon and then things milling to they were anywhere from $38 to $50, $60 for the size.
Yeah. These are carbides.
Yeah, I'll tell you. Now I've never done no milling. I just ended up with one, but I did try one. And they're really cut.
Oh yeah, I mean I use them every day.
Do you? On the bush hog, I kept breaking the bolts on my yoke, and then bring my shags hard. Yeah. And it was 7-16 stroke. I was trying to go through that way. 19 strokes was breaking, and bring a real bit of shags. Yeah, and I got one of these, and you wouldn't believe I had done it. I mean, I was shocked. So if I don't sell them, I want to keep them, the regular grill bed.
Yeah.
But they're from machining.
Yeah, yeah.
They make a. You got the machine. They make a real.
Yeah, I have a good sport mill.
Oh, is that right?
Yeah.
You need to get some of these. Metric size.
But we do.
Metric size in there and then make it some standard. Now, I have found some movement. You got everything for the kids. You got one Carmine. That's how you know.
I started just collecting one that just had like racing and stuff like that on the thing. But then I just
You can learn from here to there.
Balance.
After getting home and unpacking everything, I started to look back at the videos that I recorded, and I noticed I missed a lot of what we saw. And the reason for that was because we might have run up on a person who had one thing that was good, but I usually didn't have my camera with me, so I couldn't record it, and I didn't really want to have to walk back out to the car, because the car was usually parked a good ways away and the parking was terrible. So I usually didn't go back to get my camera. But here's some of the stuff that I bought. I wound up getting a DeWalt Sawzall for $1. The guy said he didn't know if it worked, so luckily I had some batteries at the house that would fit it, and it works. I got a DeWalt light for $1. He said he doesn't know if it works either, and I don't have a bulb for it yet. I got a Case XX butcher knife. The handles are terrible on it, but I can replace those for $1. Can't really beat that. I got the back mounting plate to a leg vise. I've got a couple of them down in the shop that are missing that mount, so hopefully it'll fit one of them. I got this small little vise. The dude wanted 15 for it, and I got him down to 10 on that. And that mounting plate, I think I gave like $1.50 for it. I got a Buddha Railroad Company grinder, and it works pretty good. The tool rest is missing off of it. I got a couple jars of old wing nuts and bolts, a couple square, old-timey square nuts, another bag of them. And these were in a jar too, but the jar busted on these. She was asking $1 a piece on those, and I think I gave her like $3 for them. And then the good stuff of the trip was the Craftsman box, the Kennedy box, and then the bigger Kennedy box. I've got to buy a new lock for this one, and both boxes need keys to them. Let me set the camera down real quick. They need cleaned out too, they're in pretty rough shape. I got a pretty rusty Starrett square, and it's got the scribe on it. And then I got a Craftsman square. It's an older one. Let me set that back down and open that drawer up. Overall, they're not in too bad of shape. They need painted again. They're a little rusty, but all the drawers are there. I also got this Starrett parallel clamp. The guy was packing up, and I don't really think he knew what he had, and I gave him $1 for it because that's what he was asking. And then I got these. I don't know what these are. The only reason I got them was because they're Lufkin. Maybe somebody can tell me down in the comments what they are. I got 2 of them. I think that was it. And I don't think I have anything in these other Kennedy boxes. Yes, I do. I forgot about this. I got a Brown & Sharp set of calipers. They're vernier calipers. They're pretty rough. One of the screws, I think it's that one, is bent. I'm gonna have to see if I can't find a replacement. But I think they'll be alright once they're cleaned up. There's what the inside of that one looks like. That one is a 8 drawer Kennedy. And then the biggest Kennedy that I got, it's in nicer shape. And it is an 11 drawer. The drawers on it they're pretty nice. They need cleaned out though. They've got a little bit of stuff in them. Little metal bits and wood shavings. There's stuff in the bottom of them. I've still got to clean them out. So maybe I find something good. Maybe I find the keys to that one and the other one. Well, I guess it would be just that one. I bought these two together. I paid $75 for that box and that box. And then I paid $5 more for the vernier calipers. And then for the little Craftsman box, I gave $12. He was asking $20 on it, and I offered him $10 on it because it's a little rough on the back. It's got a couple dents. And he said he'd take $15, and I offered him $12, and he took it. But that's my little tool haul. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Thanks.